देखो सर, gross domestic product at market price and gross domestic product at factor cost. So this is domestic concept. What is gross domestic product? Gross domestic product हमने पहले ही पढ़ा है कि it is market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during 1 year. So when GDP is measured at current market price, it becomes gross domestic product at market price. So what is GDP at market price? It is market value of all final goods and services. It is market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during 1 year, including depreciation. Also, when net factor income abroad, NFIA, is deducted from GNP at market price, जब हम नेट फैक्टर इनकम अब्रॉड, जो हम फॉरेन कंट्रीज से, फॉरेन इकोनॉमी से हमारे फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन अर्न करते हैं, वो हम डिडक्ट करेंगे फ्रॉम जीएनपी एट मार्केट प्राइस, वी गेट जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस. सो दैट इज जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस, ये बराबर होता है जीएनपी एट मार्केट प्राइस minus net factor income abroad, that is NFIE. Also, this GDP at market price is equal to GDP at factor cost. Factor cost और market price में कैसे हम डिफरेंस करते हैं, इसमें मैंने आपको बताया कि indirect tax and subsidies are playing its role. So when indirect taxes are added and subsidies are deducted from GDP at factor cost, we get GDP at market price. Okay, so GDP at market price is equal to GNP at market price minus net factor income abroad, that is NFIE. और जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू जीडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. फैक्टर कॉस्ट को जब हम प्लस करेंगे इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स, माइनस करेंगे सब्सिडीज, एंड जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस इज आल्सो इक्वल टू एनडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस प्लस डेप्रिसिएशन. So GDP at market price includes depreciation, NDP at market price excludes depreciation. जब NDP at market price को हम ऐड करेंगे depreciation, we get GDP at market price. So what is yes, what is GDP at market price? When all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country are measured at current market price, or when GDP of a country is measured at, or we can say when GDP of a country is measured at current market price, is measured at current market price, we get GDP at market price. That becomes GDP at market price. जब हम all goods and services produced within the domestic territory during 1 year, they are measured at current market price, that becomes GDP at market price. So market price और factor cost में difference है. फैक्टर कॉस्ट को हम ऐड करेंगे इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस माइनस करेंगे सब्सिडीज, वी गेट जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस. नेक्स्ट इज जीडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. जीडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट, ये हो गया. यस, ये हो गया, ये लिख लिया.
जी सर.
ये लिख लिया. अब हम उठाएंगे जीडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट.
फैक्टर कॉस्ट.
यस, लिख लीजिए जीडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. So factor cost is, generally we take factor cost is price of factors of production, rent, wages, interest, profit. GDP at factor cost means how much the factors of production of a country earn within the domestic territory during 1 year. एक कंट्री के, एक मुल्क के फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन जो है, लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, ऑर्गेनाइजर, एटसेट्रा, रॉ मटेरियल, व्हाट दे अर्न within the domestic territory of a country during 1 year, that becomes GDP at factor cost. So we can say it is sum total. It is sum total of factor incomes. Sum total of factor incomes like rent, wages plus interest plus profit earned by the factors of production of a country. Factors of production of a
country
within the domestic territory. Only within the domestic, not outside income. Within the domestic territory is called GDP at factor cost, but including depreciation. When it is gross, it includes depreciation. When it is net, it excludes depreciation. So we can say GDP at factor cost is equal to rent plus wages plus interest plus profit of a country within domestic territory, during 1 year, within domestic territory during 1 year. यहाँ हमने लिखा है कभी during 1 year, तो आप इंक्लूड कर दीजिए इसको during 1 year. By factors of production of a country within domestic territory during 1 year. 1 year is called GDP at factor cost. तो factor cost of उसी वक्त for granted लेना कि factor cost means income of factors of production, the income earned by the factors of production. और जब हम GDP at factor cost और GDP at market price में डिफरेंस करेंगे तो उस वक्त ये बनता है जब मार्केट प्राइस से हम माइनस करेंगे, निकाल देंगे इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स. जब मार्केट प्राइस से इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स माइनस करेंगे और सब्सिडीज ऐड करेंगे, it becomes GDP at factor cost. So when indirect taxes are subtracted or deducted and subsidies are added to GDP at market price, we get GDP at factor cost. Also, GDP at factor cost is equal to GNP at factor cost is equal to GNP at factor cost. GNP at factor cost minus net factor income abroad. That is NFIE. जब नेट फैक्टर इनकम अब्रॉड हम माइनस करेंगे ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट से, हमें बनता है जीडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट.
GDP at
factor cost.
factor cost.
Yes, so GDP at factor cost is equal to GNP at factor cost minus net factor income earned abroad. ठीक है, इसी तरह अगर हम डेप्रिसिएशन के साथ हम इसको करेंगे, GDP at factor cost is equal to NDP at factor cost. NDP at factor cost minus depreciation. तो जब नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट, जब नेट से हम माइनस करेंगे, सॉरी नेट से प्लस करेंगे, नेट को हम प्लस करेंगे डेप्रिसिएशन, नेट को हम प्लस करेंगे डेप्रिसिएशन, तो ये बनता है ग्रॉस. तो नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट से हम जब ऐड करेंगे डेप्रिसिएशन, वी गेट जीडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. So these are the different concepts related with this gross domestic product at factor cost. So gross domestic product at factor cost includes depreciation while NDP does not. जो यहाँ हमने किया है, जब NDP at factor cost को हम प्लस करेंगे depreciation, we get GDP at factor cost. Okay, so GDP at factor cost is equal to NDP at factor cost minus depreciation. So this is all about GDP at factor cost. Generally, ये याद रखना है, we must remember that it is sum total of rent, wages, interest, profit earned by the factors of production of a country within the domestic territory during 1 year. जब subsidies, जब indirect tax minus करेंगे market price से, GDP at market price से, और subsidies add करेंगे, we get GDP at this factor cost. So next हमारा है NDP at market price and NDP at factor cost. ये हो गया net domestic
Yes, sir.
product at market price and net domestic product at factor cost. Net domestic product. Net domestic product at market price, that is NDP at market price, and NDP at factor cost. तो फर्स्ट हम उठाएंगे NDP at market price. ये क्या है? ये सेम है GDP at market price, but only difference is with respect to depreciation. ये एक्सक्लूड करता है डेप्रिसिएशन, जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस इंक्लूड करता है डेप्रिसिएशन. सो इट इज मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. प्रोड्यूसर, सेम डेफिनेशन है जो जीडीपी के लिए हमने लिख ली. प्रोड्यूसर within the domestic territory of a country, produced within the domestic territory of a country during 1 year, excluding depreciation, or excluding depreciation. तो जब हम depreciation exclude करेंगे from, that is when NDP at market price is equal to GDP at market price minus depreciation. जब GDP at market price से हम depreciation minus करेंगे, we get NDP at market price. Also, when net factor income abroad, factor income abroad, that is NFIE, is deducted from net national product at market price. when net factor income abroad is deducted from net national product at market price, we get net domestic product at market price. That is, net domestic product at market price is equal to net national product at market price minus net factor income abroad. Net factor income abroad. Also, अब हम डिफरेंस करेंगे एनडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस एंड एनडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट, जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है, मेन क्वेश्चन, डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन एनडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस एंड एनडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट। इनमें क्या डिफरेंस है? इनमें इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स और सब्सिडीज, फैक्टर कॉस्ट और मार्केट प्राइस में डिफरेंस करती है इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स एंड सब्सिडीज। व्हेन इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस आर एडेड, indirect taxes are added and subsidies are deducted. जब भी फैक्टर कॉस्ट को हम ऐड करेंगे इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स माइनस करेंगे सब्सिडीज, वी गेट एनडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस, एनडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस। सो दिस इज द सिंपल डेफिनेशन ऑफ एनडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस। और व्हेन GDP at market price is measured at current market price, when GDP at market price or GDP of a country, we can say when GDP of a country is measured at current market price and excluding depreciation, we get NDP at market price. That is, when GDP of a country is measured at current market price, but excluding depreciation, we get NDP at market price. We get NDP at market price. मरीम भी आ गई। तो जब हम जीडीपी को मेजर करेंगे करंट मार्केट प्राइस से, उसमें से एक्सक्लूड करेंगे डेप्रिसिएशन, हम ही बनेगा एनडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस। और व्हेन एनडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट, if we take and add indirect tax to it, that is, if we add indirect tax to NDP at factor cost and deduct the subsidies from NDP at factor cost, we get NDP at market price. We get NDP at market price. इसी तरह NDP at factor cost क्या चीज है? अब ये उठाएंगे NDP at factor cost। ये हो गया, ये लिख लिया?
Yes, sir.
ये मैं साफ करूं?
Okay, sir.
NDP at factor cost. NDP at factor cost. What is it? मैंने अभी आपको कहा जब भी फैक्टर कॉस्ट आएगा, it is price of factors of production. So it is also sum total of factor incomes of a country. It is sum total of factor incomes. Factor incomes means income of factors of production. Factor incomes like rent, wages, interest, and profit earned by the factors of production, earned by factors of production within the domestic territory. Within the net domestic product at factor cost is the sum total of factor incomes, that is rent, wages, interest, profit earned by factors of production within the domestic territory of a country during 1 year, excluding depreciation. Excluding depreciation. That is, you can say NDP at factor cost is equal to, we can say it is sum total of rent, wages, interest, and profit earned within the domestic territory. Within the
Sir, woordje net helemaal.
territory. Oh, I think
Sir, की ज़्यादा शन है helemaal.
माशी नेटवर्क के याद खराब इस ठीक है मरियम को आता है
मैंने भी सीखी नहीं.
मरियम से नेटवर्क के
Sir, वाह.